In the heart of Agra stands a monument that time itself bows before. Its story begins in 1631, when Mumtaz Mahal, the beloved wife of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, died during childbirth. Heartbroken, Shah Jahan vowed to build a memorial unlike anything the world had ever seen. In 1632, construction began. More than 20,000 artisans, sculptors, calligraphers, and craftsmen from India, Persia, and the Ottoman Empire worked for 22 years to bring this dream to life. Crafted from glowing white Makrana marble, inlaid with precious gemstones, its perfect symmetry and changing colors with sunlight made it a wonder even in its own time. By 1653, the Taj Mahal stood complete, not just as a mausoleum,